Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, that is fractions. You can see, you can open your textbook, that is page number 21, that is page number 21, and here you can see the fraction, and the first chapter is warm up. Warm up means the revision exercise which you have already studied from class 3 onwards, class 3, 4, 5, 6. About fraction you know many things. Today just I am going to give a revision. In that revision, first of all, I want to tell you all that what do you mean by a fraction? A fraction, the word fraction means part of whole. A fraction means part of whole. That means you are having anything as a whole, and if you are making its parts, suppose I am having a whole roti, that I am taking a part, I have taken out, a part of this I have taken out. That means this part is 1 upon 4, 1 by 4. Here 1 is known as numerator, it is numerator, and here it is denominator. So this thing you are already aware about a fraction. That means any number which is just coming to you in the form of a by b, where I am not writing any number. A means any integer and b means any integer. Any integer you can write, but you have to take care that here b should not be equal to 0. B should not be equal to 0. That means the denominator of a fraction should not be equal to 0. Then you are having a fraction. If b is 0, that means its meaning is little bit different. So a fraction, you are aware about the fraction, that a fraction is a part of whole, where a fraction can be written in the form of a by b. That means a is known as numerator and b is known as denominator. Here at the place of a I have written 1, and at the place of b I have written 4. Now after this, once you know about the fraction, then you are having many type of fractions you are already aware. First of all, when I am talking about fraction, what things you are already aware about? First of all, you know that proper fraction, then you know improper fraction, this is also known by you all. Then you are having a mixed fraction, that means it is clear that proper fraction means once I am writing 3 upon 4, it is a proper fraction. Once I am writing 4 upon 3, it is an improper fraction. These are the examples. Whatever I am writing over there, these are the examples. And if I will ask you, give me one example of mixed fraction, then you can say that 1 whole and 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. Why it is mixed fraction? Because here 1 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a fractional number. So when you are writing any number by mixing whole number and a fractional number together, then it is said to be the mixed fraction. And you are also aware that any improper fraction can be written in the form of a mixed fraction, and any mixed fraction can be written in the form of a improper fraction. So proper fraction, once again, if I will, you have take a look that in proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. Once again I am repeating, in proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator, and for improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. That means you can change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Clear? Now coming to the next point, these are the just revision part I am showing you about fraction. Now coming to the next part of this fraction, beside that you also know a few fraction which is equivalent fraction. Just I am adding a word here, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. What do you mean by this equivalent fraction? When I will talk about this equivalent fraction, I can take one example, 1 by 2, and I can write 2 by 4, I can write 3 by 6, I can write 4 upon 8, I can write 5 upon 10, and like that I can write many of the fractions. I can write 100 upon 200 and so on, it's going on. These all the fractions are equivalent fraction. Why it is equivalent fraction? Because once you will write 2 by 4, you can cancel 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, resultant number is coming 1 by 2. Suppose I am taking another fraction 5 upon 10, then 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, it is coming as 1 by 2. That means you can see that any fraction of this group can be changed into 1 by 2 itself, because this 1 by 2 is your original fraction. This 1 by 2 is the original fraction. Multiplying here 1 by 2, if I am multiplying 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 also, 1 into 2 giving you 2, 2 into 2 giving you 4, 1 into 3 giving you 3, 2 into 3 giving you 6, 1 into 4 giving you 4, and 2 into 4 giving you 8. If you are multiplying 1 by 100, 1 into 100 giving you 100 and 2 into 100 giving you 200. That means here all the fractions are of the form only 1 by 2. That means the original fraction is 1 by 2 itself, and these all fractions are equivalent to 1 by 2 itself. That means these value of all fractions are equal. So you can say that equivalent fractions are the equal fractions. Equivalent fractions are the equal fraction which can be made by multiplying the original fraction. Suppose I am writing 3 by 4, and if you multiply its numerator and denominator by 10 and by 10, here what I have did, multiplying 10 at the numerator and again multiplying by 10 at the denominator, then 3 by 4 becomes 30 by 40, and now 30 by 40 is equal to 3 by 4 when you will cancel this 0 and 0. So ultimately you can see that again 3 by 4 is coming. Suppose 3 by 4, I am multiplying this number by 15 upon 15, then it becomes 15 3 ja 45 and here 60. This is, that means this fraction is 3 by 4 itself. So all the equivalent fractions are equal to each other. It is clear? So after that you can see your exercise number, that is warm up exercise. Not I am entering for the exercise. Here in your book exercise are written, and you can see in for each and every chapter there you can see warm up exercise is there. Actually warm up exercise means the revision exercise which you have already studied in your junior classes. Okay, by this exercise you can revise the things which you have already studied, and that will help you in doing the coming exercise of class 7. So here warm up exercise of your page number 21, you can see that here first of all they are asking that compare two fractions. How you are comparing fraction? By three signs you are comparing: equal to, less than and greater than. These three signs, by these three signs you are actually comparing two fractions. Suppose I am writing here in this exercise 1 number question, 1a is here given like this 3 upon 15, 3 upon 15, and then next here 9 upon 15. Now they are asking to put these sign. Which sign will be, can you guess which sign is correct here? Which sign you will fill up here? Which fractions is bigger? You can see that 9 upon 15 is bigger than 3 upon 15. So you can say that 9 upon 15 is a bigger number or greater number here. Like this, if I will go to B number, then it is 9 upon 45, it is 9 upon 45, and here the another fraction is 1 upon 5. Now here how you will compare this B number, how you will compare? Here in a number it is very easy to say that 9 upon 15 is the bigger number, bigger fraction, and 3 upon 15 is the smaller fraction. But here once I am writing 9 upon 45 and I am writing 1 upon 5, how you can compare? Here these two fractions are called the like fraction. Like fractions, you are already aware about like fractions and unlike fractions. The fraction which are having same denominator, the fraction which are having same denominator, they are known as the like fraction, and the fraction which are having different type of denominator, they are said to be the unlike fractions. So in case of like fractions, it is easy to identify which fraction is bigger, which fraction is smaller, or the fractions are equivalent to each other, that means equal to each other. But in case of unlike fraction, it is not easy to find that which fraction is bigger and which is smaller. For this I am giving you a simple tips that how you can find that which is bigger or smaller. Suppose just you see which is the greater fraction here. 9 upon 45, you can see the denominator is there 45. Now I am going to write here 1 upon 5. Then just you need to think that by which number you can multiply it so that it becomes here 45 at the denominator, because you have to have a look on the denominator and you have to make it equal to 45. So 5 multiplied by which number giving you 45? You can say that 9 can be multiplied at the denominator. So with the same number you need to multiply at the numerator, and 9 1 ja 9, it is coming 9 upon 45. That means if you are going to change this 9 upon 45 into a like fraction, then you can see that its value is coming 9 upon 45. That means both the fractions are equal to each other. So this was the tips which I have given you to understand that which fraction is bigger or which is smaller. First tip is that first you try to change the given fraction into like fraction, then it is easy to identify which is bigger and which is smaller fraction. So looking at the B number question, now suppose I am going to see question number D. For question number D, what I am going to do, D number question is 9 upon 25, and here it is 1 upon 2, 1 by 2. Now just you see that by looking at this, if I will try to multiply this 2 to 25, can you guess that is there any number which can be multiplied by 2 to make it of 25? So when I am looking at the denominator, here 25 is there and here 2 is there. So you can say that no, there is no number by which we can multiply 2 and the resultant number will come 25. Then what we will do? We have to think the LCM of 25 and 2. In this case, you need to think the LCM of this 25 and 2. Go to the rough side and find out the LCM of 25 and 2. So when you will think about the LCM of 2 and 25, you know that there is no common number which can divide both. So I can just multiply 25 into 2. The resultant number is coming 50. So I can say that resultant number is coming 50. That means I have to multiply this number also by 2 and this number also by 2 to make it as a equivalent fraction. I need to change the denominator by 50. We need to change this 25 by 50. How it will be 50? For this you need to think, you need to work. At the rough side you go and just you write 9 upon 25. Then you can multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So resultant number will be coming 18 upon 50. And again for 1 by 2 you will be going at the rough side, and here if I am multiplying and dividing it by 25, resultant number is coming 25 upon 50. So you can see that I have changed this fraction into the like fraction, and now I can see that which is bigger and which is smaller. The value of 9 upon 25 is coming 18 upon 50, and the value of 1 by 2 is coming 25 upon 50. So you can see easily that here which number is bigger? Actually 1 by 2 is bigger and 9 upon 25 is a smaller number. So After this tips, these tricks, you will be easily able to understand that which fraction is bigger and which is smaller. I hope that in exercise, this warm up exercise, you can do question number 1, all the question, and this exercise is your warm up exercise. Here it is your warm up. Warm up means revision exercise. Okay, so this is your warm up exercise, and it means you are doing the revision exercise itself. So for all the chapters, when you will be starting your chapter, your book is having warm up exercise. That means you have to revise the previous acquired knowledge, whatever you have learnt in your previous class, those things should be clear in your mind, and then you can start the new exercise. So here 1 number question, you have seen that how you can compare two fractions by making them as equivalent fraction or like fraction. So this will help you in understanding that which is bigger, which is smaller, and you can compare all the fractions by applying these tricks over there. Now coming to the next question. This time your question is there, question number 2, match the following fractions with their corresponding equivalent fraction. Now how you will match it? Suppose 2 by 5 is there, and now 2 by 5 is matching with which equivalent fraction? So you can see 1 number 9 by 33 is there, 2 number 1 upon 3 is there, 3 number 16 upon 40 is there, and 4 number 35 upon 70 is there. So how you can match? So let me first write all these numbers, then that will help you in getting your answer. Suppose first number here I am having 2 upon 5. This is question number 2. Then B number is there 3 upon 11. Then C number is there 52 upon 13. Then D number is there 1 upon 2. And then E number is there, that is 6 upon 18. Now here in number 1 you are having 9 upon 33. Then in the second number you are having 1 upon 3, and in third number you are having 16 upon 40. Then in fourth number you are having 35 upon 70. Then in fifth number you are having 4 upon 1. So just I have copied the question which is given over there. Now how I can match it? So for matching 2 by 5, so first of all I am thinking that here from these given numbers, just you divide the given numerator by 2. 2 can divide 9? No, 2 cannot divide 9. 2 can divide 1? No. 2 can divide 16? Yes, 2 can divide 16. By how many times? By how many times? 2 8 just 16. So you can see that if 2 by 5 can be multiplied, if I am writing at my rough side 2 by 5 and multiplying here by 8 and by 8, then you can see that 8 to the 16 upon 40 is coming itself. That means I can match this 1, 2, 3. That means this is the correct match. A number can be matched with 16 by 40, or otherwise you can also check whether the given fractions are written in their lowest form or simplest form or not. The second way to understand these questions are that first of all you check all the fractions must be in their lowest form. It is, if not, then you can change it. How? Again I am telling 16 upon 40. If suppose you are searching from the right side, so each and every fraction should be in its lowest form. Here you can see that 9 upon 33, 3 can divide both the numbers. It is not in its lowest or simplest form. Again 16 upon 40, if you are coming, it is not in its lowest form. But if you will try to take here, if I am writing 16 upon 40, then you can see that 8 can divide 8 to just 16 and 8 5 just 40. That means the number you are getting here 2 by 5. So if you are changing these fractions into in its simplest form or lowest form, you can see that it is coming back 2 upon 5. 2 by 5 you are getting back. That means both can be matched. So I have discussed two ways for matching the fractions. first one is there that by multiplication, and second one is there by division. If you will divide this number 16 by 8, then the resultant number is coming 2, and if you are dividing 40 by 8, resultant number is coming 5. So in this way you can see that both are matching. Now here 3 upon 11, just you see 3. Once again I am telling 3 can be multiplied by 3 to give you 9, and 11 can be multiplied by 3 to giving 33. That means this B number is matched with first number. Now again 52 upon 13, you can see that 13 and 52, 13 can divide 52, so 13 4 ja 52, 13 4 ja 52. So this result is coming 4 upon 1. So this you can match it like that. So this is matched. That means C number is matched with fifth number question. How? What I have told, that again once again I am going to explain here. 52 upon 13, 13 1 ja 13 and 13 4 ja 52. So it is coming 4 upon 1. It is coming 4 upon 1. So it is clear that 4 upon 1 is coming. That means both are matching. And here again 1 by 2 is there. Now you think 1 by 2 is matched with which number? Now 1 by 2 is matched with which number? You can see that 1 upon 2 can be matched with 1 by which number it can be matched? 1 upon 3, 16 upon 40, then 35 upon 70, then your 4 upon 1. So this 1 by 2 can be matched with which number? Can you guess? Just I am giving you time to guess. Now you are having two numbers left, 1 upon 3 and 35 upon 70. So just you see that which is the correct answer. If I am going to check, have you decided? Now D number will be matched with which number? Let us see. If you have not decided, then go to the rough side. Okay, and here 1 upon 2, 1 by 2 is in its simplest form or lowest form, but 35 upon 70 is not. So what I am doing, going to write 35 upon 70 I am writing. Now you can see that if this is divisible by 35 and this is also divisible by 35. So actually 35 dividing 35 giving you 1 and 35 dividing 70 giving you 2. That means you can see that this and this is matched. That means D number is matched with 4 number option. Now if I am thinking about 6 upon 18, you can see that 6 upon 18 is also known in its lowest form or lowest term. So what I can do? I am writing 6 upon 18, then I am dividing it by 6 itself, then 6 1 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. Or directly you can cancel the number also. You can cancel the number also. Resultant number will be coming to you like that only. So this second number is matched with E number. So this is by like this I can match that which is the correct match. You can see now and how I have decided that which is the correct match. So is it clear? I hope that this is clear to you all, how to think the answer, how to match the answer. Now coming to the next question. This time I am talking about question number 3. Classify the following fractions as proper and improper. For this you can see, just if the numerator is less than the denominator, that means it is a proper fraction. So number A 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. Go to number B, here 2 by 7, 2 by 7 is a proper fraction. For C number 3 whole and 1 by 3, so you can see that if I am writing 3 whole and 1 by 3, it can be written as 3 3 ja 9, 1 10 by 3. So all the mixed fractions are actually improper fraction. All the mixed fractions are actually the improper fraction, because improper fraction can be changed into a mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be changed into a mixed fraction. That means 3 whole and 1 by 3 is a improper fraction, so that it can be changed into a mixed fraction. Number D, you can see the 9 by 5, 9 is greater than 5, 9 is greater than 5, that means D number is improper fraction. And again for E number 11 by 8, 11 is greater than 8, that means E number is improper fraction. So like that you can check improper and proper fraction. Now question number 4, reduce the following fractions to their simplest form. So simplest form I have discussed already how to do simplest form. So for this question number 4, I am showing you one number. A number question is 28 by 10. What you can do? You have to decide a number which can divide numerator and denominator. So 2 can divide, 2 5s are 10 and 2 14 times. So you can see that by dividing by 2 numerator and denominator, you are having 14 upon 5. So this is called only the simplest form or the lowest form of this fraction. So like that you can do all these questions. B number also you can do, C number also you can divide. I am talking about D number. One more I am showing you. This time it is D number 124. This is 124 upon here 372. Now you think that which number can divide both? You can start with the smaller numbers, smaller prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, like this. The 2 can divide it. 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4. By 2 if I am going to divide it, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, again by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2, and again 2 9 are 18, 2 3 are 6, and again 31, 31 1 are 31 and 31 3 are 93. That means the resultant number is coming 1 by 3, and sometimes you need to divide the number also. Directly you cannot get the answer. Directly you cannot get the answer. Actually, sometimes you will have the bigger number. Suppose I was having here 31 and at the denominator I was having 93. What I have did? I have multiplied 31 by 3, then 93 is coming. That you have to think according to the situation itself. So you can do 4 number also. Now addition and subtraction of the fraction. Regarding addition and subtraction, I hope that you know to add 2 fractions or you know how to subtract 2 fractions. Even then I am showing you that how you can do it. For 5 number question, 5a is there, that you need to add 7 upon 12 and plus 7 upon 12 plus 17 upon 12. 17 upon 12. So this time, so these are the like fractions. There is no tension, just 12 and 12. You know that for the denominator you are going to find the LCM. So 12 and 12 LCM will be 12. Now further what you are doing? You are dividing this 12 by this 12. So 12 can divide this 12 by 1 time. So 7 multiplied by 1, 7 is coming, and here 17 itself will come. So 17 and 7. 17 plus 3, 20, and 4, it is 24 upon 12. Then 12 to 2 are 24. So your answer is coming 2. So in this way 5a number is done. But whenever you can see that you are having different denominators, that means if you are not having the like fractions, then what you can do? So for this, the B number question I am going to see. B number question. In the B number question you can see it is 3 by 7 plus 8 upon 14. How you can do? So for this 7 and 14 you are going to find out the LCM. So here I am doing LCM of 7 and 14. So 7 1 ja and 7 2 ja, that means 7 into 1 into 2. So your LCM is coming 14. Then what you are doing? You are dividing this 14 by 7. So 7 2 ja 14, it is coming 2 times. Now you are multiplying this 3 by 2. So 3 2 ja 6 is coming. 14 1 ja 14. Then here 8 1 ja 8 is coming. Further, if you want to write your answer, then 6 plus 8, it is giving you 14 upon 14. And when 14 upon 14 one time you can cancel, then your answer will be 1 itself. So today I am giving you this question number 5 and 6 as a homework, and I will suggest you all to do all the sums of warm up exercise first, then we will start exercise 2a. Thank you for today.